Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we talked about new battery icons coming up soon to the Windows 11 operating system. They are redesigning the battery icon, which is typically never changed in a pretty long time, and if you're using a laptop, always been the same kind of old, boring little battery indicator. Well, here is what now it will look like at some point. Here are the different states of what the batteries are going to be. So the old icon on the left with the drab black and pretty much not much information given. And the one on the right, which is the new indication of battery. So you'll now have the battery indication when you're not plugged on your laptop or tablet. You'll have a new icon for energy saver mode that comes into effect when the battery drops below about 20%. So now a yellow, kind of not very charged icon. Charging will now have this new green icon here with a little lightning bolt. Smart charging will have also this indication. And smart charging means that it also has a protection to make sure that the battery can charge safely. Slow charging will have this new icon, which is not much different from the old one, but the battery icon is actually larger. Low battery will now have a small red indication showing just a thin battery line. That's when the battery drops from 5% or lower, rather than just a little X. So there's going to be more colors in it, and of course unknown battery if the battery isn't there or something was wrong with the battery itself. So you can see that a little more color in it, which is welcome, and I think this is going to be more appealing to the eye and maybe more interesting also to watch what happens when you're using devices on battery. So this is a new icon. It's starting to roll out in the insider rings, but it will actually be soon in Windows 11. It's one of those new features of 2025 that's going to happen. So this is going to be interesting to look at to change what the battery indication is on laptops and tablet PCs. Of course, that battery indication does not appear on a device that does not have a battery. It will only be on battery-operated computers. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.